It is his family's wish the Stars and Stripes flag, which he retrieved at Omaha, when he actually landed, as I said, to control the marches, be returned by 29th United States Infantry Division veterans. And so now, may I ask his son Philip, who is standing on my right, to say a couple of words and then hand
When I
it back
first thought about the idea of this flag being, well, sent home, I was advised to contact the American Embassy in London, which I did, and a fella on the other end of the line said, "Oh, that's great," he said, "can you stick it in the post?" And I said, "I'll do no such thing." I said, a piece of history like this deserves something better than that. So it was then I contacted Mr. Ron Moyes of the Normandy Veterans, who has done an awful lot of work well, amongst him and his colleagues. And when Dad recovered this flag from the sea, I don't think it was a souvenir. I think it was more the fact that it was fond memories of being alongside our allies, who are here today, of course. And I don't know whether he would have wished me to give it back when he was still alive, but he hasn't got any say in the matter now. But I'm sure that if he's watching, I'm sure, he'll be overgone. So really, without much further ado, I think I would like to say this flag deserves to go home. So I'd like to present this with great pride back to the rightful owners.